Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If it is not resonates to you, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is your current energy, is the Five of Vessels. And we also have the Magician. This is the challenge in this reading. The spiritual lesson is the Five of Pentacles. And the past situation is the World. We also have the Six of Staves as the present situation. Wow. And the future is the Strength. Let me see your attitude, the Death. We also have the King of Swords as the outside influence. And the Queen of Vessels. This is the hopes and fears in this reading. And the outcome is that the Two of Pentacles. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see and clarify your cards for this reading, guys. If this is not resonates to you guys, don't bother. Just leave it, okay? Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Your current energy in this reading is the Five of Vessels. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio or a group of people. This person or group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. This is the past situation. This was happened before. And now, this is your current feelings for some of you. Maybe you are feeling disappointed with this group of people in the past, especially those people that you are supported. You are very generous and kind to these people in the past. And I feel like you are disappointed because this group of people aren't there, surrounds you during your struggles. And for some of you guys, it could also be that this is the feeling of the person you are dealing with in the past. Could be a fellow Scorpio, could also be a group of people. And I feel like they are disappointed. maybe they are also feeling regrets and remorse for what they have done to you. I feel like this group of people are now having regrets and remorse, disappointed with their actions in the past. And I feel like they want to return, to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is not the end. It can be patched up together, but it's up to you. But somebody here is feeling disappointed, feeling regrets and remorse. Could be you or the person you are dealing with in the past. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Magician. This is your challenge. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini, or you have a Gemini or a Virgo in your birth chart. I don't know. It could also be other sign. This person who embody the energy of either Gemini or Virgo is manifesting you in their lives. And I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You have everything under your control. Because the swords is your will and the power of your mind. You only need to trust and believe yourself, to take an action with whatever you are manifesting for, because you have all the tools needed in order to make these manifestations come true. You don't need to waste your power. You need to trust and to believe in yourself. You need to believe in magic. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Virgo or Gemini wants to trick you, because the Magician could also be a trickery. Either this person wants to trick you or this person is manifesting you in their lives. Whatever you are going to manifest, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, it will come to you because you have everything. You need to use your power to trust and believe in yourself, and also believe the magic of the universe. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Five of Pentacles. This is the spiritual lesson in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. Just a minute. This is the spiritual lesson in this reading. I feel like somebody here is feeling left out in the cold by you. It could also be that these are the group of people in your family, in your workplace. It could also be in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. I feel like you have learned your lessons, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because in the past, I feel like you supported this group of people and you are expected them to support you back, but they are left you out in the cold, especially the times of your struggles. And that's why you look, your first card is disappointed, the Five of Cups. For most of you, you are supported with this group of people with financial matters. Could be that this group of people are in your family. For some of them, if this is related in the workplace, maybe you are supported this group of people doing like teamwork and collaboration. And I feel like this group of people now are feeling left out in the cold by you because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. For some of you guys, you already detached. You already cut off the ties of these people or this person in the past. And this person now or group of people are feeling not enough. It could also be that this is related to your internal struggle. This is a negative feelings. And the universe advised you to eradicate this negative feelings in your surroundings. Maybe you are feeling not enough because you supported this group of people and this group of people never supported you back. And that's why this is your feelings. The current energy is feeling disappointed. And now the table turns. This is the past scenario. This group of people doesn't want you to be happy. They only want to take and take something from you. Maybe your money, your resources. Despite of what you have given to them. I know that Scorpio is very compassionate, generous, and kind. And you are willing to support this person or group of people. But this group of people don't care with what you have given to them, especially the financial matters. They only want to take something from you because they want you to have nothing. For some of them guys, they want to lose your job, to lose your house, to lose your resources, and that you don't have money. Others of these people are praying for your downfall. That you are sufferings. Whatever the reasons, majority of these people are because of jealousy and envy. It doesn't matter if this is your family. It doesn't matter if this group of people are close to you. Because when jealousy reigns in the heart of a person, everything kills the relationship and the situationship. And that's why these are the group of people in the past. They don't care if you have money or not. They only want to take and take something from you because they knew that you are a very compassionate and generous person. This is just like they want to vacuum your money and to left you out in the cold because they don't love you. Could also be that this person is embodied the energy of Taurus. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And now it backfires because for some of you guys, you end up this negative thoughts and feelings of being not enough. You knew your value and you knew your worth. Because you are the magician. You can create everything. Whatever you are going to manifest, you can create it. And that's why this group of people are now feeling left out in the cold by you. Could also be a Taurus, a Virgo, a Gemini, or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Your lesson here is to be strong and to eradicate this mindset, the negativity of your mindset. Yeah. To eradicate this negative thoughts and feelings. You are enough, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And you are not alone in this world. Your divine angels and the Holy Spirits are guiding you through your journey. Maybe You didn't see them, but you can feel it. And this is your challenge for some of you. Others of you, you are no longer engaging with this negative surroundings, negative thoughts and feelings of not enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the world. This is the past situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4 fixed signs in the zodiac. The Aquarius, the Leo, the Taurus, and the fellow Scorpio. And I feel like there is a closure here. You managed to close this cycle because you have sent the truth. You also knew the truth behind with this person or group of people because you have an illuminations here. You knew exactly what are their intentions on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. That's why you are closing the cycle. For some of you, this is a completion and a success. It could also be a graduation in the school, a culmination. Congratulations. For most of you, maybe you are going to travel, or somebody wants to travel towards a new. I don't know which is your story here. For some of you, if you have a platform in the social media, your platform is viral or going to be viral. This is like World Wide Web. The world is watching you. This is the complete integration of yourself and the world around you. And you manage to live the old you. This is out with the old and with the new. This is proceeding forward to your new era of your life. This is a major transition. You already completed the cycle and you understand why the things happen the way it was in the past. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your present energy is the 6 of Staves. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. Could also be a group of people. You are going to recognize here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you already recognize because this is the present scenario. Congratulations. There is success and recognition here. And you have also gaining lots of supporters. If you have a platform in social media, you are gaining lots of subscribers. And again, congratulations. For some of you guys, this is related to your creativity. Could also be related to your special skills and talents. And the people here are recognize you. Recognize your talents, your creativity, your hard work. You have lots of cheerers. There are lots of people who wants to see you win. These are the like-minded people. But remember that if you are in the peak of your success, not all people are happy with what you have, with what you achieve. There are people who are not happy. And these are your frenemies, haters. But who cares? Congratulations, you have her success and recognition. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo is entitled or feeling entitled to your success. Could also be that this person who wants to celebrate with your success could be a Leo. Could also be a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the future energy is the strength. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Double confirmation. The Six of Wands and the Strength is embodied the energy of a Leo. I feel like this is your energy. You overcome your self-doubts and your inner conflicts. You have an inner will and an inner strength, and you can tame the beast of this person who embodied the energy of a Leo. You tame their ego and their pride. Could also be that you tame your own beast, which is the ego and the pride. And this person viewed you as a strong person. Maybe in the past, this person thought that you are a weak person. Could be a Leo. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your attitude in this reading. The Death. Here it is. This is your major arcana, number 13. This is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They said that Scorpio's reading are incomplete without the Death or a Tower. For some of you guys, you manage to shed your old skin. This is your transformation and rebirth. The phoenix rising from the ashes. You left behind the people who are no longer serve you in the past. You managed to close this cycle, to give death to those people who are no longer serve you in the past. This is a painful but beautiful endings and a new beginnings, a powerful new beginnings. Others of you, this is the right time for you to collect what belongs to you. This is a powerful new era of your life. You manage to leave the people behind, the painful cycle that you have experienced, because you realize that there's nothing for you to go back there. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. This is the major transformation and a new beginning of your life. The major transformation and a powerful new beginning of your life. The Death. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Swords. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You stand in your higher self. You knew the truth and you are not scared to tell the truth. And you are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who are manipulative, who are gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you. Those people who tried to manipulate you, who tried to control your life. Those backstabbers and betrayals. The people who betrayed you in the past. Yeah. And you managed to cut off the ties because you are tired and sick. For some of you guys, you already cut off the ties of this person or group of people, and you also block in your social media and in your mobiles. This person viewed you as a cold-hearted person because from emotional, you become logical. Could be a Libra, could also be other sign. For some of you, maybe you are dealing with a person who has an authority. Could be a lawyer, could also be a person who is or who possesses a higher position in the society. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the hopes and fears is the Queen of Vessels. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. You look double confirmation. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. I don't know your story. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You are the control of your own emotion. You are the queen or king of your own emotions. You have an emotional intelligence. You matured emotionally. It's because of what you have experienced in the past. That painful experience in the past. You look, the King of Swords. Because of what you have experienced in the past, the painful scenario you have experienced. And this is your energy. You are the control of your own emotion. It could also that this person who embodied the energy of Libra or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, viewed you as a marriage material because you matured emotionally. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of either Libra or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And we have here the outcome of this reading is the Two of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you are finding balance in your life or you are maintaining the balance of your life. It could also be that you have an internal struggle. For some of you, you want to adapt your surroundings. You want to be flexible. Maybe you are balancing both your financial and physical aspects of your life. Could also be that you are maintaining the balance both of your relationship and financial matters. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn. Could be that this person wants to give you balance in this relationship. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please why the death in this reading. Thank you, spirits. The death is clarified as opposition. This is a German language astro card. Spannung und Gegensatz. This is tension and opposing opinions. You look. This is the clarification of the death. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Scorpio, maybe you have a disagreement with this person because this is an opposition. Could also be that your opinion is different from this person. Maybe you have a conflict with this person as well. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Could also be a group of people. But you give this person, this cycle is close. You give death with this situationship. You leave this situation because you are tired and sick. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. It could also be that this relationship have lots of people who are opposing between you and this person. The relationship is lots of opposition. It's just like in the political party, lots of opposition. Because maybe there are lots of disagreement in this relationship. That's why there are lots of tension and opposition. But you manage to give that with this scenario. You are no longer dealing with this anymore. You'll leave this behind. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me please the Six of Wands here. Thank you, spirits. The Six of Wands is clarified as first house, self and identity. This is a German language astro cards. The first house is embodied the energy of an Aries. This is related to self-identity. And this is the clarification of the Six of Wands. It could also be that you are already recognized here with your self-identity, with your, and you are recognized by the people with your integrity. Yeah, you look, because there is a recognition here. This is also a success. Could be related to your teamwork and collaboration, and these people or group, this person or group of people are recognize you. This is related to your integrity. Maybe in the past, this person or group of people didn't value your worth. Could be a Leo or an Aries. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Aries or Leo wants to celebrate with you, to join with your success and recognition. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Aries or Leo feeling entitled with your success. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Magician in this reading. Tell me more about the Magician here. Why the Magician in this reading, please? The Magician is clarified as, sorry guys. The Magician is clarified as Ninth House, learning and believing. This is a German language astro cards. This is Lernen und Glauben. The ninth house is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart, or you are dealing with either Virgo or Gemini. I feel like this person wants you to believe on them. Yeah. It could also be that this person are now learned their lessons. It could also be that this person wants to trick you to believe on them, because this is learning and believing. Yeah. Could be either Virgo, Gemini, or a Sagittarius. Could be that this person wants to trick you to believe in them, because I feel like this person are now learning their lessons, but still they want to trick you. It could also be that they are manifesting you in their lives. Could be Sagittarius, Virgo, or Gemini. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Five of Pentacles here? Why the Five of Pentacles in this reading, please? The Five of Pentacles is clarified as Zwillinge, the communicative. This is a German language astro cards. That means the twins, the communication, the communicative. And this is the clarification of the Five of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either Gemini or Taurus, or you are dealing with a person who had two faces, a fake person. And this person wants to communicate with you. Maybe you are no longer communicating with this person, or there is no communication here. Could be that this person wants to communicate with you, either a Gemini or a Taurus. This person now is feeling left out in the cold, when in fact in the past this person left you in the cold, and now the tables turn. This person wants to communicate with you. It could also be that this person is manifesting you in their lives. Yeah, look, the Magician. Yeah. Could also be a Taurus or a Gemini. Maybe you are no longer communicating with this person or group of people. It's because you give depth to the old scenario. You are no longer the same person before. You evolve. You have a different frequency and timeline. You cannot go back to this person or group of people in the past because you give death to the old scenario. Although it has a painful but beautiful endings. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? For some of you, maybe you are dealing with a person who is or who has a double face. This is a fake person. Could be a Taurus or a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me, please. The 5 of Cups in this reading. Why the 5 of Cups, sir? Please tell me more about the 5 of Cups here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The 5 of Cups is clarified as South Node. Yeah. This is a German language. This is South Mondknoten. This is South Nord. South. Yeah. This is your old karma. Altis karma is related to old karma. This is a clarification of the 5 of Vessels, which is the 5 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person is a karmic person in your life. Could be a fellow Scorpio. And it could also be that you broke the karmic relationship with this person because you already gave death to this situation. Could be a fellow Scorpio. And this is a repeated patterns. Maybe you have a connection with this person in the past. This is like deja vu. This situationship repeated. It's because somebody has never learned their lessons. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Yeah. And now you managed to broke this karmic relationship because you gave death. You already transformed and waving goodbye to the painful scenario in the past. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the world in this reading. Why the world here, please? The world is clarified as sextile, chance and opportunities. So this is a German language astro cards. This is the clarification of the world. So sextile, Chance und Gelegenheit. This is a German language astro cards, which means sextile, chances and opportunities. Chances and, yeah, possibilities and opportunities. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4 peak sign. Could be Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and fellow Scorpio. And you managed to close this cycle because you have seen the truth. You have also a clarity why the things happened the way it was in the past. This is the major transformation, major transition in your life. And I feel like this person or group of people wants to have another chance with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person or group of people wants to have, yeah, another opportunities or a new opportunities. Another chance to reconcile or to reconnect with you, to return. Could be that this person or group of people are also like you, a fixed sign. Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, or an Aquarius. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why? Oh, why? Oh, sorry, guys. Why the King of Swords here? Tell me more about the King of Swords in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the King of Swords here, please? The King of Swords is clarified as Conjunction, Verschmelzung und Energie. This is a German language astro cards. And this is the clarification of the King of Swords. This person wants to patch up the relationship between you and them. This is like two companies to bring it back in one. This is merger and energy. It could also be that you have a misunderstanding with this person who embody the energy of a Libra or a person who has an authority. And this person wants to bring back together with this idea or an opinion, because for some of you guys, this person, what do you call this? It costs too much energy to communicate with this person, or for this person viewed you that it costs too much energy to communicate with you because of misunderstanding, because of what has happened in the past. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Libra, or a person who has an authority. Could also be that you have a Libra in your birth chart. And this person wants to bring back together. What I mean is to mix your opinion and their opinions, to bring it in one. I mean is, and there it costs too much energy, costs too much interaction. It's because of maybe in the past you have, what do you call this? You misunderstood each other. And this person wants to patch it up together, this situation. Could be a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. I don't know what is your story. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the Queen of Cups here. Sorry. Why the Queen of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups is clarified as 11th house, Gemeinschaft und Technik. This is a German language astro cards again. This is community and technique. 11th house is embodied the energy of an Aquarius, community and technique. This is the clarification of the 10 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Libra. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this is related to this person is in your community, could be. Because this is Gemeinschaft, is community. And technique could also be that you both working each other before, or this is your colleague at work. I don't know. Maybe both of you are working in the company which is more on which is related to electric or electronics, something like that. Because this is related to community and technique. This person could be an Aquarius. This person could be your neighbors or in your workplace. And I feel like this person viewed you as a marriage material, or as a person who is very loving, kind, and nurturing person. This person viewed you that you already matured emotionally. Maybe in the past, this person never see your worth. Could be an Aquarius. This person now wants to commit you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Either an Aquarius, could also be a Libra, or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 2 of Pentacles in this reading. Why the 2 of Pentacles, sir, please? The 2 of Pentacles is clarified as Lovi, the extrovierte, This is a German language as two cards, which means Leo, the extrovert. This is a lady because D is a lady. The extroverte, Leo. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a female Leo. Or it could also be a male Leo because in tarot there is no gender. Could also be that this person is juggling on you. Could also be that this person wants to give you balance in this relationship. Could be a Leo or a Capricorn. You look. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me, please, the strength in this reading. Why the strength here, please? Tell me more about the strength in this reading. The strength is clarified as the 5 house. Freudian Unspiel. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart because the 5 house is embodied the energy of a Leo. This is playfulness. This is happiness and playfulness. Yeah. Freudian Spiel. Happiness and playfulness. Yeah. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Double confirmation because the strength is also embodied the energy of a Leo. Yeah. And this person wants to patch up the relationship, to be happy, and yeah. You know, all works and no play makes a dull boy or a girl. Maybe this person wants to have fun on you, with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Wants to have fun and wants to have a harmonious relationship with you. Because this is related to happiness and playfulness. Could be a Leo. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle, or in the community. Could also be in your workplace. And this person wants to have fun with you. Yeah. This person wants to have a harmonious relationship with you. That ends your readings for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.